Hello student, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We are doing this oxymercuration, demercuration, but several type of reasoning question will be there and you must know about it. One question must be asked in the MCQ or any other competitive exam. Find A and B in the two-step reaction. C3H7 CH double bond CH2. This is mercuric acetate, THF, water. Give A, NaBH4 and NaOH, give you B. NaBH4 is also called sodium borohydride. Okay, so what is the net regio specificity of this hydration, and why hydration procedure of this is preferred over acid catalyzed hydration of most of the alkene, and what is the final state of mercury. So see, this oxymercuration, demercuration will occur. In first step, A will be the oxymercuration product and it will be this. This is A. Okay, this is A. Why? Because I am writing here. Okay, I have written this is A. So first of all, what will happen? This olefinic carbon will form bridge with HgOAC, and then this will be cleaved because Hg carry one positive charge, so it will be cleaved. And at that moment, what will happen? At the same time, this CH will be attacked by the OH2. Okay, so at that followed by this cleavage, HgOAC will be hanged to this carbon, and OH will be here in the less substituted carbon because it follows Markovnikov addition. Okay, and then NaBH4 reduces this and we'll get this CH2 will get H from the NaBH4, and Hg mercuric atom will be out, and we'll get this alcohol. Clear? 2 degree alcohol will get. So regio specificity of this hydration is Markovnikov addition. So it will follow Markovnikov addition, that is the regio specificity of the hydration. Superior method because it is avoided arrangement, no rearrangement because no free carbocation is obtained. See, it is obtained here and as charge on the mercury, right? And when it will be cleaved simultaneously, it will be attacked by the water. So it when it will become electrophilic, so prior to that OH2 is attacking and then it will be cleaved. Okay, so there will be no free carbocation, that is why it is no rearrangement will occur. Final state of mercury is Hg0. Now here I will say, sometimes they can ask oxymercuration reagent. So mercuric acetate, this is mercuric acetate. Hg, this C from here, CH3, C double bond O negative is satisfied by this. I am writing charges so that it will be very clear to you. Okay, 2 negative charge, 2 positive charge. CH3COO, Hg, both of them are attached to this. So this is mercuric acetate or mercury 2 acetate. NaBH4 sodium borohydride. Na.